arrived.
Okay. You and I engaged in a kiss. Milwaukee stuff in there. That shit's crazy. They got hydraulic stuff in here. Suspension. These motherfuckers got everything in here, boy. They even got the transmissions in here, y'all. They got the Ford, the T600, TKL 600. Tremec. Bad boy. Full suspension kit in here. This warehouse is huge, y'all. Towing equipment in here. Still more transmission stuff. Clutch, internals, hitches, toes. Look at this. Coilovers over there, spark plug, just a whole little performance set. Y'all see, this look like my setup right here, the iBot. This is the rear sway bar. This one's the front. Of course, you got Challenger headlights. Transmission pan, Charger headlights. So it does look like, yep, 6 to 10 Charger headlights. Probably should be purchasing those right there. Let's get that part number. Halo kit. Yeah, they got everything up in here, boy. Crazy. Yeah, now this is like, I can use this on my Ford rear axles. It's a pinion, ring and pinion setup. Shit dope. It's a lot. You gotta check out the Mopar shirt. We definitely gotta rock with this one. We gonna work in this, y'all. We gonna get like 2 of those. Get us a Chevy shirt to work in when we working on, our 5-3 swaps. Or this one. Then get that Ford Performance over there. Yeah. They got a plethora of stuff over here, but all of this. It's crazy. The racing fuel. See, y'all, they got their own whole aisle of Milwaukee tools. We ain't got none of that back in Denver. None of that in Colorado. None of that. Man, y'all, they got everything in this little store. That distributors, whole engine setups, cams, lifters, rockers, all of it. Intercoolers. Whole setups for fuel and oil. It's crazy. I want to know if they got the lockers, the ones with the locker arms that lock. All the K&N stuff, carburetors, larger fans and intercooling systems. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Water pumps, boy. Y'all know these GM water pumps, majority of them, you can tell. Small block Chevy, Corvette. Oh, we got a Mopar one. GM. No, those are GM. Ford. A little windy outside. Intake manifolds. Fuel pumps. Superchargers. This look like the Magnuson. No, that's Trick Flow supercharger. Oh, that's a whole setup. Sprintex. Oh, another setup. This is an Edelbrock setup. Got the Roush right here. Roush setup. Ford Performance. All that over there is exhaust. Paint colors. This place is huge, man. This place is freaking huge. Ford. I should put this one. See, this is what I should put on the Crown Vic right here. Definitely what I should put on the Crown Vic. That setup right there all together. I'll take that every day. Let's see what that setup look like. Rip supercharger. This is for the Jeep Wrangler. Parts wash machine, something like that. Look at how they set up here. It's pretty dope. electronic water pumps. You put these in the, the Chevys and the Fords, especially those. These are the ones that you can put in the. Oh man, Impala 9.6. I was talking to you though too. But those are the electronic water pumps that you put in the 9.6. I need to go over here and see this shit. I'm just trying to stay out the way. I don't want nobody feeling no kind of way. Distributors, just all this old school stuff over here. Rear diff covers, performance pans. Hey, you see this car? Yep. Right. That motor, boy. Come out to Texas and see some nice, pretty dope ass things. That motherfucking truck is dope as hell. I don't know whose it is, but it's just dope. You see it? Yeah. I guess I'll go put this in the car real fast and come back. Man, we done had a time, y'all. I got in the car and got me a few things from Summit. First time out here. It's windy, y'all. Okay, it's windy. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. It's crazy. We got the Popo in the corner. Whatever. The highway over there. That highway. It's alright. It's windy though. So if you can't hear me, you can't hear me. We got the FedEx ground over there. I'm gonna go work over there. I'm just playing. I'm not gonna go work for FedEx ground. I'm just playing. Man, it's dope though. I like it. Dallas Fort Worth Airport. See, damn. This is our rental. Just a rental. Got the BMW. It's okay. We like it. Where that thing at right there? Them scat packs right there. It's alright. I should have seen that truck earlier. Nah, this is like a big old warehouse. They got the docking stations and everything. Challenger and stuff. Like the little Challenger. That's crazy.
That was money long hours and hours. So AOC is in the news again. She said children have more to fear in terms of sexual assault from straight men than they do gay men and people who are transgender. That's the question we're posing. We're gonna go to our social media platform. What do they sent out this gift.
All of that.
Johnny in
all
Oak
the way
Cliff
back that way.
says you have far more to fear from straight men if you just look at the numbers.